What's good, YouTube? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We bringing another banger. Thank you so much for clicking my video. If you are a new visitor to my page, my name is Jonathan Derinor, and I'm here to bring you something different. You feel me? So today we will be customizing another pair of slides. I got the honor to make him a custom pair of slides, which is you'll see. I can't just spoil it. I cannot just spoil it. So with that being said, let's continue with the video.
Alright guys, so I already prepped the shoe. What you're seeing now is me laying down the stencil. Now, all the stencils are laid down and the outline of the South African flag is laid down also. Now moving on to the green part. What you want to do is add a few coats and make sure you're using a heat gun to speed up your process. Now moving on to the blue. Same process as the green. Just layer, do a few coats of the blue and use the heat gun to speed up the process. Moving on to the black. Added about 3 or 4 coats to the black. Now what you're seeing is me masking out the other parts of the flag so I can airbrush the red. Now the reason I use the airbrush for the red is because I'm using Jacquard's red airbrush, which I absolutely love. It's a great vibrant red and it's very thin. To finishing up the red, add 2 or 3 coats. Now removing the tape so we can now add the yellow part of the South African flag. Cleaning up the spots where the black or green might have leaked. Moving on to the second part of the shoe. This is a man-made design. I did not make this design, but shout out to whoever did. It's a very nice design with the black fraternity logo. And great. Now I already masked everything out and placed everything down. Now you're seeing moving with the black. Now airbrushing the black parts where I want the letters to be. Removing. Now I added the checkerboard because I felt like it was just too plain, and then it actually came out very, very great. Final product, baby.
Thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked the content. Leave in the comment section below what other things you guys want me to do, what kind of customs you want me to do, what kind of videos you want me to do, anything like that. And make sure to check out my Instagram where I post custom videos, custom pictures, my shirts, my models in the shirts, a lot of things. So make sure you go check that out so you don't miss it. And lastly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, guys, have a blessed year.